guys, I'm Tanya and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm sharing with you guys how to create this very beautiful and pretty pink and purple eye makeup tutorial. So you can wear this eye makeup in the upcoming wedding season, as well as you can also rock it in parties and functions. So if you really want to uplift your makeup game and wants to stand out of the crowd, then you should really try this eye makeup look. It's really simple and easy. So now without further ado, let's see how to create this very beautiful, pretty and colorful eye makeup look. So firstly, I'm using this NYX HD concealer. And I'm using this concealer as a primer. I'm just applying it all over my eyelids. And after applying a nice coat of this concealer all over your eyelid area, I'm using a brush to blend it out really nicely on your eyelid, as well as to clean the area underneath your brows. And now for the brows, I'm using this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the shade dark brown. So this pencil have a retractable pencil on one end and a spoolie on the other. And it has a triangular pencil tip which is not supremely precise and thin, but it's small enough to sharpen the edges of your brows, and it creates really fuller looking and defined eyebrows. So now after shaping my brows with the pencil, I just use the spoolie which is on the other end just to remove all the excess product from the brows and just to spread the product evenly on my brows. So now after the brows, let's move on to the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Neon palette in the variant Party Vibes. And I'm firstly using this pink shade and I'm applying it all over my crease area as well as a little above the crease area. And with a small blending brush, I'm just buffing all this out so that it blends out beautifully into my crease and creates a very beautiful effect. I'm picking this purple shade on a small flat brush and I'm just applying this shade all over the eyelid area. And you just need to slowly and gradually build up the intensity of this shade. Just pat this color all over your eyelid area and very gently just buff it out. And now again I'm using that pink shade, but this time I'm picking this shade on a very small brush and just placing this shade on my crease area because the intensity of the previous shade just got fade away and I just want to build up the intensity more of the pink shade. So I'm just placing this color and very gently buffing all this out. So now I'm just going to use this magenta or the dark pink shade on the outer corner of the eye. You just need to slowly pack this color as well as blend it out really nicely with a small blending brush just to deepen the outer corners. And now I'm using this NK eye palette which is called Birthday Cake, and I'm just going to use this purple glitter shade which has silver shine to it, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid area. But if you don't want to apply it all over your eyelid area, then you can also just apply it on the center of your eyelids. And I'm applying this shade using my fingertips, but you can also use a brush to apply this glitter shade. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Renaissance Flick eyeliner and I'm applying a winged eyeliner using this eyeliner. So this eyeliner is one of my favorite eyeliner to apply the winged eyeliner because it's super precise and thin. You can really go in and create intricate lines with this one. I just love to grab this eyeliner whenever I'm in a hurry or I'm in a mood to apply winged eyeliner. I'm using this really pretty highlighting shade and I'm using it to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone area. Now again I'm using this purple shade and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line using an angular brush. Now I'm picking this hot pink color on the same brush and I'm just using this shade to just buff out the purple shade and to just create a really nice transition. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes using an eyelash curler. And now I'm using this Volume Million Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal and I'm applying a nice thick coat of mascara on my upper as well as my lower lashes. Now for the falsies, I'm using this PAC M72. And yeah, that's it for this eye makeup look. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. I am really loving this look and how it turned out. And this eye look is super easy to create as well. You just need to follow a few steps and a bit of blending and that is it. You can wear this eye look in parties, function or even in weddings. Just try this look and tag me on my social media handles if you recreate it. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.